Come live the dream.
At 496 High Tide Lane here in Latitudes Margaritaville, the premier 55 plus community in Daytona Beach. So you step inside this charming Camellia Cottage and you feel the joy, the warmth, the great room's vaulted ceilings. You have cozy beam details set to the tone of laid-back luxury. You will love the 8-foot doors. You can cook up a storm in the kitchen, designed for fun and functionality. You have beautiful quartz countertops, top-tier appliances. You have an upgraded extended island. It's really perfect for culinary adventure and casual dining. You will love your master suite. It's a tranquil haven with custom closets and a spa-like bathroom featuring an upgraded built-in linen closet. Your guests will feel equally pampered in their stylish retreat. Relax in your outdoor oasis. The screened-in porch is ideal for morning coffee, enjoying a margarita, or of course having a cheeseburger in paradise. So experience the best of Margaritaville, dive into the resort-style pool, stay active in the fitness center, or join social clubs to meet new friends. Enjoy the private beach club with shuttle access. Your beachfront escape is just a ride away. Now, this cottage has over $75,000 in premium upgrades. This home enhances both beauty and functionality. A detailed list is available upon request, so don't miss this opportunity. Schedule your private tour today and start your new adventure at Latitudes Margaritaville. Live your best life here at 496 High Tide Lane.